somebody comes here with money to want to invest here in this country, but the frustrations that those potential investors undergo, right from the immigration, through the hotels, through the government bureaucracy, and the corruption in the system, frustrate them so that they actually leave this country and go and invest elsewhere. I met an American, frustrated. He was telling me that I've been asked to come back in 3 months' time. This is the third time I'm coming here. And I'm coming all the way from LA in the United States. Do these people know where LA is? It's so far. I'm not going to come again. You see? So this is what's happening. The big problem is bureaucracy, infrastructure, the cost of infrastructure, particularly energy, and then the corruption in our country is the biggest impediment to private sector investment in our country. And that's why we're saying we must change this. I know the kind of frustration that your Kali sector undergoes to be able to make the thing like this. Wanakuwa frustrated kabisa. Ngine wanakuja kutafuta ati ushuru. Ngine wanapigwa kila mara kwa mara na wale maaskari inaitwa kanjo, kutolewa hapa na pale. We can actually formalize the private sector, I mean the Juakali sector, put up proper shades for them to start where they want to start, and also give them access to capital so that they can be able to stage their businesses. And that's why we talked of creating a fund for the youth, where they can be able to borrow money and they don't have to repay until after 7 years. When those businesses have taken off, that is when they will be required to begin to repay. This will help them. Instead of running around the town, tamaracking, looking for jobs, you become an employer. I'll give you an example of Mr. Toyota. He was a shoeshine boy. Sorry, that's not Toyota, that is Mr. Hilton. Mr. Toyota was a repairer of motorcycles. Then became a repairer of scooters. They started making motorcycles. Then went to a four-stroke engine. Slowly developed and became the Toyota empire. It can be done. I've given an example of Mr. Benz, who again did that experiment with his daughter, then took his daughter to experiment riding. Eventually he named that model after his daughter, who was called Mercedes. And that is Mercedes-Benz. So we can actually help our people to come up